The bag is the last seen point. So, off you go. Are you on search?
Yes.
Yeah, is it still on SE? Wait, you got a signal? Right, hang on a sec. What's that telling you? What's it saying?
What's it?
Hang on. Yeah, but it say exactly right.
Oh.
What's it? Just like say out loud what you think that means.
4.7 metres.
40 metres, I think
40
it is.
40 metres.
49.
49.
Is it reliable or are you losing it?
It's going off.
Right, just carry on your search back. You'll pick it up. Hurry up, dude, I'm dying in there. Suffocating. You got it? Right, what's it saying?
40 metres.
I don't think it's very reliable, dude.
It's not. It's going
What are you going to do?
Keep going.
Is it reliable?
Yeah.
Right, just follow it to within, get to within 10 metres. Just follow the lines. Get within 10. You're within 10? Now start following it slowly to within 3. Or you pass. Stay on the same axis, dude. The line that you came in on. Tell me what you're interpreting.
Try and establish what direction it is.
Can I give you a clue?
No.
Move a bit more slowly.
Not that way.
Get a bit lower, dude.
Found him!
That's it.
Three.
Well done.
Okay.
From the beginning.
First thing I did was look for the last seen point, which was the bag which you placed. And then I went to that point as quickly as possible and then started the zigzag procedure. So I knew that if you point up there, the edge, what's that called, like that dune area there,
Yep.
was like one edge, and then the ridge here was the second edge. Start to zigzag up and down until I got a signal. And then what did I do then? And then I just followed the arrows in like the distance direction to indicate where the person was buried. And then once you get to within 10 metres it starts to beep louder. And you is this right? And then you follow. What do you do then? And then you need to get establish what's it called? Like you.
Yeah, I reckon you need another go. You did good, though, dude.
No.
It's just describing it, that's all
Yeah,
it
but
is.
then you get to that point and you
You
try
need to eliminate areas, don't you?
Yeah,
So you
so-
need to shorten the distance
Yeah.
each time.
I just can't articulate
Both
what I mean.
ways. Yeah.
So if I'm getting a really strong signal here, I need to then decide
It's not
if I point this way,
Yeah. It's not
Or this
anywhere,
way.
yeah.
or this way,
Yeah.
or this way.
So it
That's what I
must
did. That's right, isn't it?
Sure is.
Well, why are you saying it's wrong?